Oh my god, are you still considering if you want to make YouTube shorts or not? Oh my god, this is why you need to make it right now. Like today, right now, you need to start filming your YouTube shorts. Hey Tovians, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tovia Ogun back again with another exciting video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, you are welcome to this amazing family. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do that right now. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment telling me what you like about this YouTube video. My today's shout out goes to the above people. If you like to get a shout like these people, all you need to do is to be one of the first 5 people to comment on this video right now, and then you get a shout from me on my next video. Okay, before I begin this video, I just want to tell you guys, you're going to be hearing a lot of fireworks at the background because people have been celebrating since the beginning of November. So there's going to be like sounds of fireworks all over this video. So just bear with me in case if you're hearing it. But that being said, let's dive into this video. On today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys my findings on YouTube Shorts. Why you need to make the YouTube Shorts, if YouTube Shorts can be monetized, because I've seen a lot of people sharing different things if YouTube Shorts can be monetized or not. And at the same time, I'm going to show you guys how you could film your own YouTube Shorts. So if you want to know how this video is going to go, make sure you watch it to the very end. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to thumbs up the video. So let's dive in. So guys, I decided to give YouTube Short a trial. So in case if you've not yet seen the video on my first YouTube Shorts, then you need to go see that video. I'm gonna leave it on the iCard. So I decided to give it a try after hearing a lot of people talking about it, sharing different things about it online. I was like, okay, let's give this thing a try. And to my greatest surprise, I was amazed at the result. I was amazed the way this thing actually works. So when I first posted the video, it was at least few hours of the video, I didn't notice any change. I even left a comment telling you guys to tell me how you were able to find the video, if through short or if through subscription or recommended page. I wanted to know if this YouTube Short was working or not. And a lot of you who replied just told me, oh, it was from your subscription, it was from your notifications and all of that. I was like, okay, probably this thing is not working. And obviously the views were very low, like my normal YouTube views. I was like, well, let's wait, because I've heard a lot of people saying YouTube Short normally take at least a day or two to gain views or to just blow up, because it doesn't work like normal YouTube videos. Because you know, with your normal YouTube videos, you have at least an hour or two once you make that video public to gain enough engagement on that video. If you don't get enough engagement, the YouTube algorithm is going to let go of your video. But with YouTube Short, this doesn't apply to it. So it can take a day or two before your YouTube Short can actually blow up. So I was like, okay, let me encourage myself and don't lose hope. So after waiting for hours and nothing new, so I was like, okay, let me leave the YouTube app and go to my desktop version of my YouTube and go see what is going on with this video. Let me see more details and see if something is different. So I never knew that with the YouTube Short, the analytics are absolutely different, guys. Let me just clear that part now. The analytics is actually different when it comes to YouTube Short. If you've been on YouTube, let's say 2 years or 3 years back, the same way your videos normally display back then, that is how the YouTube Short videos actually display. So when I got to the desktop version of my phone, so I clicked on that video to see what was going on, and to my greatest surprise, guys, it was just, I think, 17 hours to the video since I posted. I was like, oh my god, the video has over 337 views. I'm gonna be leaving the pictures by the side because I did take some pictures to kind of show you guys what was going on, because I wanted to, like, you know, I made this video because I wanted to like share with you guys. I don't want to come here and start saying things I didn't know. So I was like, oh my god, look at the magic. So this video just skyrocketed on its own. I'm gonna show you guys on the analytics when I have at least, I think, 68 views before the end. The video just boom immediately. You can see it on the analytics, the blue line. That is how that video actually just blew up on its own and got over 337 views in 17 hours. I was like, oh my god, this is amazing, this is good. And another thing I want to say is the traffic source actually says short. So I'm going to be reading this from my phone because you can see it that it says short on the traffic sources. Now this is to tell you it actually works. Yeah, it works. If you posted short and you didn't see on the analytics that people came from short to see your video, means it didn't work. You probably didn't do it well or stuff like that. So this shows me that this short really did work. Like, it actually drew people to the video. Now the second thing I want to talk about is how you're going to film or make your own short. First of all, short camera is actually available for those people in India because this was launched in Indian. Like, once you want to upload a YouTube video, there's a part that will say camera, which is basically made for short video. But for us who doesn't live in India, we don't yet have this short camera feature on our YouTube app. So the other thing you can do is to actually film the video yourself, just like I did, and it actually worked for me. So what you want to do is to film your video in vertical mode. In case you don't know what that is, you want to position your phone this way to actually film your short. You want to position your phone in vertical. You can either use your back camera or your front camera, it doesn't matter. You just film like you would normally film, but make sure the phone is in vertical mode. And make sure that this video you're going to film, it is not more than 60 seconds. And make sure if you want to upload the video, it should be 59 seconds before you upload it, because once you upload the video, YouTube will normally add another 1 second to the video, which will now make it 60 seconds. So make sure if you want to upload your video, it is not 60 seconds before you upload it. But in general, the video has to be 60 seconds and not more than that. So for those that don't know, the size that I actually used in editing mine was 9:16. So that's 9:16. That was my size of editing. So in case you feel like you want a size to edit it, it will be 9:16. For me, I don't know, but that was what I used and it actually worked for me. For others who don't know, just film your video in vertical and then edit it and then upload it. I think you should definitely be fine. Don't mess up with the size, don't change anything, just upload it straight ahead. So if you want to upload your video in order for it to be classified as a short, I'm just going to show you what you need to do. You want to either add the word hashtag shorts to the title of your video or to your description. Maybe you've written, on this video I will show you how to start your channel. Now you want to add short to the description. So it is either going to be on the title or on the description. So if you put it on the title, you need to take it off here because you can't have the same hashtag, the same word on your title and description. Anyone is fine by YouTube. So it can either be on your title or on your description. For me, I added mine to the title. This is how your video will be classified as a short. Then go ahead and upload your video. So there are other things I've heard people say when it comes to monetizing your short. Now I want to tell you guys, short can actually be monetized. I decided to take at least a day before I filmed this video because I wanted to know if this video, because I monetized the video but I wasn't sure if I was going to get money from it. But after 24 hours I saw that I did gain money from this video. I was paid. YouTube did pay me for making short. So I've seen people saying, oh, you cannot monetize short. That is not true, guys. You can actually monetize your short as long as you're already monetized, because I was able to monetize mine. I did make some money from it, and I think as far as that video is still up, I'll continue to make money from it. So you can actually monetize and make money from your short videos. Now another thing I want to talk about is the things you need to know about shorts. So the first thing I said before is the analytics, which is actually different from your normal regular YouTube videos analytics. So in case you feel like what is going on with this video, just know right now that the analytics is actually different. It doesn't compare videos. Normally once you post your YouTube videos, it will normally compare with your other videos, how it is doing, if it's doing well or lower than other videos you posted. But with the short, this doesn't compare with anything. It is just short on its own. I don't know if you post a second short video they could compare them. I don't know yet because I haven't posted the second one, but I want to post. Obviously I want to give it more try. I want to like do more short in the coming weeks and days and months. So another thing, you should know that it is the type of video that can actually kick off at any time. You can upload it in the first 2 or 3 hours, nothing might happen, but after some hours changes can actually take place. It could take a day or two, but the changes will definitely take place. So another thing I want to say that is very important is short videos can actually help you gain lots of views for your YouTube channel. But one thing that it doesn't help you with is your watch time. Now the reason for this is it is actually a 60 seconds video or less, so it won't help you with watch time. You need a whole lot of views to actually get enough watch hours from that video. So just to tell you, if you're making short videos, just know you're making it for views or for fun, or just for, you know, it's faster and stuff like that, and you want to just get yourself out there as well. But it doesn't help you with watch time, or else you're ready to be posting lots and lots of shorts every single day. But that being said, if you ask me, I would say go ahead and make sure to get that views, get your channel out there. You never can tell what can actually help your channel grow. For me, I'm going to be making lots and lots of shorts in the coming days because it's just fun, just making short videos and just dropping it out there. If you don't like the way the video look, feel free not to make it. But if you want to just help your channel out there, get some views, or you're already monetized, get some extra pills in your account, go ahead and make short videos. So guys, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed this video and find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment telling me what you like about this video. I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Don't forget to stay safe. I love you all. Take good care of yourself and bye.